I'm going to demonstrate the Immersive Reader in Word 365. The Immersive Reader is a full screen reading experience to increase readability of content in Word 365. To start, make sure you have a document open in 365. Click on View in Immersive Reader. If you would like to focus in on a line, click on the book icon and select Line Focus. Click on Play.
The history of Cowley College. Since 1922, Cowley College's commitment to each student's success in their chosen field is the force that has endured. Our desire to enrich each student's life is the passion that has sustained us through good times and bad times. From our first day to our last, we will make a difference in the lives of our students.
Now I'd like to show you how to change the language. Click on the book icon, select a language under Translate, click on Document, and then click on Play.
Desde nuestro primer día hasta nuestro último, haremos una diferencia en la vida de nuestros estudiantes.